Hi everyone, hope you are. This is CoinsKid. Going to dive into XRP once again. Thank you for your support. Okay, so right now XRP is doing really well. It's looking really strong and really beautiful. Just straight off the bat, you do need to see XRP get back above the weekly 20 EMA. Okay, if you're not already entered into XRP and you're looking for a confirmation bias, then getting back above that weekly and holding it as support is absolutely invaluable. Okay, because it means that you're entering an uptrend basically on the weekly time frame, which is of massive significance here for XRP. You do have levels of resistance above, okay, and equally if you just want to wait for those breaks, because you can get something called dead cat bounces in these retracements, as you're fully aware, where you do come down just here. Like as you come down, you bottom out, you start to retrace up to the previous high, forming a reversal wave. But if you run into levels of resistance, i.e. you come up to the 0.50 or failing that, the golden ratio, the 0.618, this is where you could get rejected and continue with the trend. Do you see this? And form this A, B, C correction right there for XRP in this correction that it's going through. So you're fully aware of that, and that would give more precedence to the fact that you are going to enter a bear market, because you know if you was to get that kind of correction here for XRP, it would absolutely be bear market material and a massive confirmation of the bias that you are entering a multi-year bear market just here for XRP, because the ABC correction that you would go through, I'll give you the target right now, potentially a 74% correction down to this low just here. Let's say, for example, you did get rejected off the 0.50, which is, you know, a 50% retracement, and that's synonymous with a dead cat bounce. If you was to get a 74% correction right there, forming that ABC corrective wave in a bear market, you would be looking at a 25-cent XRP token. What we're going to do right now is measure that particular target from here down to there, and that is 86% depreciation for XRP from that high, which is bear market. It's a bear market fall from grace for altcoins, and especially XRP. I think XRP's recent fall from its previous cycle top, from the top there in 2017, I believe it was 90% plus, something like that. Yeah, so it's like 95% plus depreciation right there for XRP. That's bear market material. That's what I mean. This correction, if you was to go through this ABC, get rejected here, have a dead cat bounce and roll over, then you would, that's bear market, and you will be entering a multi-year bear market right there. So we do need to see XRP break this level of resistance. What I'm trying to say to you, okay, we're not completely out the woods yet. Okay, we're not in a bear market yet, like some analysts are saying we are in a bear market. We're on the cusp of being in a bear market, but right now, you know, even this is a higher low than this, and right now if we can come up, and we're making a higher high than this, so we're effectively bottomed out. Now there is something that I want to show you. Obviously you do have to break these levels of resistance. You're fully aware of that. You've got to break this level of resistance at $1. You have to break this golden ratio to give more bias and probability that you're forming a reversal wave back up to where you came from for XRP. Okay, everything, the fundamentals and the technicals are looking relatively bullish for XRP. I'm not going to lie to you. You are running into the 20 on the weekly. You're getting a little bit of resistance right there at the moment, which, to be honest with you, is good. It does look a little bit bearish on the 4-hourly time frame. I'm going to show you that in a moment. But what I want to show you here is this wave count. Okay, I'm noticing this on a lot of projects, and especially VeChain. Now, VeChain is, are we getting a confirmation bias here that we're bottomers in simply because of VeChain? Okay, I've not necessarily counted the waves on a lot of the other projects, to be honest with you. It is something that I should do, but again, you know, it is all thought based. Everything that I do is thought based. So you've got one wave down, okay, one wave up, just there, down, up, bottomed out, basically. Okay, so let's count these waves. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 waves to the downside. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just quickly jump on the VeChain chart for you right now to show you something that I've noticed. So again, this is not financial advice or anything like this. It's just a thought experiment. So you know that we are anticipating these deep wave fall pullback for a lot of projects. Okay, even XRP, it's having its wave pullback right there. We've got the wave 1 high for VeChain, the wave 2 pullback last year. Okay, where we bottomed out in November, bounced off to 55. I know it's an XRP video, but I just want to show you why potentially we've bottomed out. Okay, and it's the wave count. and the wave pullback and the levels at which we're bouncing off of VeChain is a confirmation bias in that we have bottomed out and we are potentially forming more upside and the restart of this wave 5. So yeah, basically we're anticipating wave 1 high, wave 2, which we've already gone through. It's there, it's printed, okay? And then we have this monstrous wave 3, which is always the largest wave. Within wave 3, we've had 7 waves down, okay? Wave 4 pullback, I do apologise. So with Elliott wave theory, wave 2 and wave 4 are pullback waves. Then hopefully we're bottomed out just there, and we're continuing now to this wave 5 up to these levels and our price predictions for VeChain. But this is an XRP video, but what I'm trying to do is show you the wave count. So we had a top, 1 wave down, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, bottom, see you later alligator. Now here, wave 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, bottomed out, see you later alligator. We're painting all the signals for a bottom right now across the board for all the projects, for Bitcoin, for Ethereum, for XRP, for VeChain. Is the bottom in? And is this wave countdown of these 2 pullback waves of Elliott wave theory, is this signifying that? Again, thought experiment. Doesn't mean it is what it is, but potentially, you know, are we seeing the bottoms? That's what I'm trying to say. So jumping back onto the XRP chart for you. So again with XRP, you can see we've topped out here in this wave, and then we've come 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 waves down. Have we bottomed out? And now we're starting to find a reversal. There is a significance, okay, between wave 2 and wave 4 of Elliott wave theory for VeChain, and you know the markets do run together. So have we bottomed out? It would be nice, and hopefully, you know, we do start to see the pickup. We are running to a level of resistance. You're fully aware we will meet resistance along the way. You do need to see these levels of resistance broken to confirm the bias of the potential that we're not going into a bear market right there, where we could potentially come down to 25 cents in a bear market. We do need to see these broken, and once they do get broken, you're looking at a high probability of a reversal wave, and these are your next potential upside targets. You're looking at $4.55. Potentially, you know, by November, December, who knows? No one can put an actual timestamp on these appreciations for these things, but it is progress, and we are making this progress so far. So it is golden, but you are going to run into levels of resistance. You are going to roll back to support, and this is what you do need to see for continuation in this bull market. So what I'm going to do right now is zoom in on the 4-hourly time frame for you to see what we can see, okay? So with XRP, you can see that it's absolutely broken through this level of resistance, which it was struggling to get through, wasn't it? This is good because it is actually holding it and backtesting the support at the moment, but you have got a bit of a rising wedge on the go here for XRP, okay? So like I said to you, you do want to see these pullbacks. Do anticipate that, you know, because the technical target here of breaking out, I'm going to show you right now, just to remind you, is that everything's looking good. Everything's looking golden. But you do need to see pullbacks for continuation. Now you're broken out of this level of resistance just here at 70 cents. The breakout target from here, from this W bottom that we printed, when you broke this level of resistance, is obviously just here up to 89 cents, roughly around that area. So you can see it's on its way. But what happened is you ran into the level of resistance of this descending triangle where you found a level of support and resistance. You can see it clearly on the daily time frame just there for XRP, okay? Just there. You see this level of resistance and support just there. Look at that. Boom, 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 boom. And this is where you've been toying with breaking through. You've actually broke through it. You've closed below that level of resistance. And right now you are actually backtesting and holding support like I've just shown you. But you are unfortunately forming a bit of a rising wedge. Now on the 4-hourly time frame, we'll take another look. If you look, there is a bit of a bearish divergence forming as well for XRP on the 4-hourly time frame, okay? So you've got this higher highs in the price action, and in the RSI you've got these lower highs. So there is a divergence. You are forming a tightening rising wedge. Potentially you've got to question yourself, why have you not broke out this low resistance? Why are you not come to this level of resistance and a breakout target already? Because you're breaking up, you always fall back to level support for continuation. You don't get there overnight. It's a long, steady, drawn out process. So do anticipate that basically XRP could actually roll back here and come back down to where you form this wedge. So for those of you looking for an entry point, you're looking for levels of support, do anticipate that this particular level of support, which is the previous resistance of this WW bottom on the daily time frame, okay, this would act as a fantastic level of support and a possible entry point in this bull market for XRP. Okay, do anticipate that you're tightening, you run into a level of resistance. If you lose support of 0.75, put some cheeky bids in at 0.70, because that could be your bottom for continuation up to this 91 cents and a continuation of this bull run like I've just shown you in them 7 waves down in this corrective wave that we've gone through for XRP, just like we have for VeChain and many other projects out there. Okay, but again, it's all thought experiment. Okay, but so far you're looking good, looking healthy. You're in a bullish cross on a 4-hourly time frame. Let's check out the daily again. You're above the EMAs, which is what you need to be in an uptrend. Okay, so you're slowly, gradually dragging this 20 up over your shoulder, and if you can now create this bullish cross, which we've just formed for Bitcoin on the daily time frame, which is a massive bullish buy and go to the beat signal from CoinsKid. Now if we can get the confirmation bias here and start to form this for XRP as well, then this is it. We're off to the races here, guys, and we're looking for a lovely year end for crypto. Okay, so take care. That's a little update today on XRP. I'll be back tomorrow with another update on XRP. Sorry for the delay of the update yesterday, but I've been mega busy. I'm trying to get a few projects out, but so far so good. Onwards and upwards. Take care, everyone. Bye bye.